Welcome to AK Tutorials Mathematics Solution.
Today we are going to discuss about area of compound figures such as square, rectangles, circles and triangles. Let us learn about area. The measure of the surface enclosed by a closed figure is called area. Figure given below, we can see the blue color part. The blue color part represents the area of the given figure. Area of square. A square is a four-sided figure whose all sides are equal. So, area of square is equals to side into side. Area of square. A square is a four-sided figure whose opposite sides are equal. That is, it has two length and two breadth. So, area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Area of triangle. A triangle is a three-sided figure which has a base, height, and a hypotenuse. A hypotenuse is the longest side of a triangle. So, area of a triangle is equals to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Area of circle. Before knowing about the area of circle, we need to know about its part. Radius. It is the line drawn from the center and touches the boundary of the circle. So, area of circle equals to pi r square. R square stands for the radius multiplied twice, where pi represents 22 by 7. That is 22 by 7 into radius into radius.